Whether it be any occasion, biryani is one of the cuisines which first comes into my mind. However, the process of making biryani feels so complicated that I always end up ordering it from a restaurant. Once you understand the science behind it, along with how to manage time, you will be able to whip up this dish in less than 2 hours. So, today I'm going to share with you the recipe of how to make chicken biryani in few simple steps. Welcome to my channel V Ideas. If you are new here, then do consider subscribing. To prepare the marination mix, we need ginger garlic paste, Kashmiri chili powder, red chili powder, turmeric powder, biryani masala powder, salt, yogurt, and lemon juice. Mix them well to make a paste. Add the chicken drumsticks to this paste. Coat all the chicken pieces well with the marination mix. After mixing, keep it aside for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, fry the chicken drumsticks. Ensure that they are only 90% cooked. Carefully flip them in oil. Strain them out of the oil once the outer covering turns golden. Fry all the chicken pieces. Now, take a cup of Basmati rice. Pour enough water into the vessel to wash the rice. Once you see that the starch is separated from the rice, strain it. Now, add some water to the rice to soak it for 30 minutes. Strain it after 30 minutes. Fill a deep pot with 3/4 of water. Add the whole spices along with some salt to taste. Let it simmer for 4 minutes. After that, strain out the whole spices. Add the soaked rice into the aroma-infused boiling water. Add a teaspoon of clarified butter to keep the rice fluffy. Once the rice is 90% cooked, strain it. Keep the rice aside and let it cool down. Meanwhile, let's chop 4 large onions. Ensure that the slices are thin. Deep fry 1/4 of the sliced onions till they turn crisp and golden brown. Strain them out of oil. Also, deep fry a handful of raisins till they are golden brown. And deep fry a handful of cashew nuts till they turn golden brown. Now, to prepare the gravy, add some cooking oil into a deep pot. Add the remaining onion slices. Saute them till they turn translucent. Add Kashmiri chili powder, coriander powder, turmeric powder, and garam masala powder. Saute well. Add the leftover marination paste. Mix well. Add the blanched tomatoes. Combine everything well. Let it simmer till the oil separates. Add half a cup of water. Mix it well. Also add some salt to taste. Let the gravy come to a thick consistency. Add all the fried chicken drumsticks one by one into the gravy. Mix them well to coat the chicken pieces with the gravy. Add a dash of water if necessary. Let it simmer on low flame for 5 to 7 minutes. Our gravy is ready. Switch off the flame and let's layer it. Sprinkle a layer of fried onions on the gravy, followed by the mint leaves, then the coriander leaves. Also, sprinkle the fried cashew nuts and raisins. Then fill the pot with the rice. Spread the fluffy rice evenly and ensure not to press it down. Repeat all the layers one by one. Now, draw few slits into a boiled egg and place it under the layer of rice. I am using 2 boiled eggs in my biryani pot. Place the second egg too under the layer of rice. Now, pour a teaspoon of clarified butter over the layers. Finally, add a tablespoon of warm saffron milk. With a ball of dough, let's make an airtight seal around our pot. Ensure that the lid is sealed well. On a low flame, place the biryani pot on a tawa. Now, let's set it on dum for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, plate it and serve it hot. Do try out this delicious and flavorful dish. See you soon. Until then, Vidya signing off. Ta-da-da!